Hi, I am Nille, and today I'm talking about this blue dress. It's the dress from Olga, also element from her cloak. Olga, I call it the Olga dress because it is the dress Anna Taylor-Joy wears in the movie The Northman that came out almost a year ago. And when he has asked me to make a class on this, and that is what I'm doing now. So, the dress are based on, or has element from the Moselund Tunic that are about 1000 AD. And what is typical about that is it has this side piece that are divided into three. So there's one piece from here, one piece up here, and one piece up here. And from the sleeve, you see the seam is going in here. So on this back side of the arm. And it's quite fitted. Those could be even more narrow and still fit. And also from Hedeby, there's found similar, and they can even be bigger than this. Some has interpreted them as sitting in the front part of the vest. I guess it could be that too. It's always qualified guess, all we know about, or all we try to reconstruct from the Viking time out of those small pieces. Also the godet in the middle, and the same in the back, is from Hedeby also. The wool is vatmail or tutu twill, little felted, it's really nice. It's from historical fabrics store. I will link it to it in the description. And tablet weaving, you know. So you can make this dress if you like. In the description you will find a link to my web shop with my pattern sheet that you can download, and you can cut it outside and start sewing. The next videos will show you how I make it. That's really it. Let's make some.